1 says how to deal with a prospect who contacted you to learn about IBC, but does not necessarily have a good understanding of what it is. Sit on the phone and educate, send videos, or ask them to read books. I would do both of the second two options. I highly recommend people watch my videos first, and the reason I have them watch it first is because if they're going to meet with me and talk to me about it, it's like drinking from a fire hose. There's so much that we can go into, and if they're not already familiar with the concepts, it's just going to go right over their head. So I would send them some video links, and I would say, hey, check these out. Also, I've got links to a couple of great books in all my videos. Infinite Banking Concept, Nelson Nash, Becoming Your Own Banker, and The Retirement Miracle. Nelson Nash's is about whole life insurance and the infinite banking concept. The Retirement Miracle is about IULs. So I've got the two major products that I work with, and I got them covered on those books. Now I also happen to have one of those books, The Retirement Miracle, in an electronic format. Pretty sure that's the one I have in electronic format that I can just send people. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's a great way to do it. When people read those, they get a really good understanding. They're going to understand it way better if they watch the videos and read the books, as opposed to somebody trying to explain it over the phone. I would not want to try to explain it over the phone under any circumstances. That is an uphill battle you do not want to take on, because everything you're talking about is abstract, and people who are not familiar with it may not even be familiar with life insurance, let alone this niche that requires knowing a little bit more about how they work. Trying to explain that over the phone without visuals, oh my gosh, what a nightmare. I wouldn't try to do that. So I'd say the most effective is videos. This is the focus of my channel. This is where I get all of my life insurance business. I don't do any marketing. I don't buy any leads. I only talk to people who watch my videos and sign up for a consultation with me. And it keeps me really, really busy. You got to get some good videos put out there so that people can get a good grasp of the concepts, can understand that you know about the concepts and you know how to talk about them and you know what you're talking about. You're putting yourself out there as an expert in the field, and people self-select. If they like your personality, if they like you and what you're talking about and think that you're somebody they can work with, they'll call you, they'll meet with you. And that's what I tend to see a lot of. So I don't have to do a whole lot of work outside of that. People just watch the videos, they learn, because I'm so transparent on all my videos. And my goal is to have all of the information that they need in the videos. Every single bit of information in the videos. That's my ultimate goal. I'm not there yet, but I hope to be there soon, because I'm not going to be around forever. Aaron, thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the cash flow community. I'm not going to be around forever. So if I get hit by a bus, I want my clients to be able to understand what's going on with their policies. I want them, as they get older, to be able to point their kids to these videos so their kids know what type of policies their parents own, because they may need them to help manage their money later on when they get older. We're going to need other people besides me knowing what's going on in these policies. So my goal is to educate my clients so that they know exactly what's going on in these policies and how to manage them in the future. And I'm going to do that not one-on-one by explaining everything to them every single time. We're going to put it out in a video so that one time I do the video can work multiple times. It can work 24/7. Makes it a lot easier.
I hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time.
Now go maximize your cash flow.